Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this series of videos I've been talking about the tools, the apps, the extensions that I use to help me run my business online, which I've been doing for 4 years now. I have a very successful e-commerce business and marketing business, and these tools and apps really help and make my life so much easier. If they can make you more efficient, they hopefully should make you more profitable. So if I can share these with you, because I have been doing it for 4 years, I have used so many different apps and extensions and tools that these are the ones I now find work really, really well. And I've got a fantastic one for you today. It's going to help you with your descriptions on your eBay listings. It'll help you if you're a blogger, helping to write your blogs. And if you're like me, I'm doing an ebook at the moment. It's a fantastic tool, really helping me with my ebook. So without further ado, let's go and have a look at this app. So let's click here. Right. So you may well have watched the video where I spoke to you about Grammarly. Grammarly is a great tool to help you with the grammar and spelling, and which is an essential. When people are just even writing something on Facebook, it's going to help you. But this is the Hemingway app. All right. And so I'm just going to click on this, and it's going to take you straight to the app. Now you can download the desktop app, but that actually costs you $19.99. So it's not actually necessary. You can do everything that you want to for free on the website itself. And what it does is if you've got some writing, you've got a page of writing, a description, a blog post. You can just add it here, because in a minute I'm just going to edit all of this, but you can just add it here and it will highlight any lengthy, complex sentences. Anything that's difficult to read, it's going to let you know. It's going to help you with phrases that you've used that you might want to use a more simple phrase. It's just going to make it a lot easier for the people that you're talking to understand and really get your message across in a much simpler way. And it just makes you into just a really good writer. Okay, so I have got an About Me page and my story on all of my Facebook pages. Okay, and I actually was pretty proud of it. I thought it read really well, and I thought it was really good until I put it into the Hemingway editor. So I'm just going to show you what happened. So I'm going to let's just go back here. Right, I'm going to get rid of this. And then I'm going to take the text from my story, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it in here. And as you can see, that wonderful piece of writing has got 5 of the 16 sentences are very hard to read, 3 are hard to read. I've got 3 phrases which have simpler alternatives. I'm using I've got 4 cases of passive voice, so stuff in the past rather than active, which is in the present. I need to cut that down, and I've got far too many adverbs, so I need to get that cut down as well. Now I did this in about 5 to 10 minutes. It didn't take me any length of time at all. Really quite easy to do, because you just take away what they're telling you to take away and make your sentences shorter. Take the words out that you're not needing to use. And this is what I then got. So let's go over to, where is it? There we go. Right. And this is what I got 5 or 10 minutes later. A piece of writing that now has no sentences that are very hard to read, no sentences that are hard to read. There are no phrases that I need to change. I probably still need to, actually no, that's not bad. Passive voice, I've got 3 out of 5. And I've got 1 adverb. So I'm meeting the goal of 3 or fewer. What a much better piece. And when I read it, it flowed so much better. And so much easier for somebody to come along and read and actually take on board what I'm trying to say. So it's going to make you into a fantastic writer. I got English literature and English language A-levels when I was at school. And you wouldn't believe it when I now look back and look at some of the writing. Okay, so hopefully you will find this useful. If you did, then please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, and also make sure you do subscribe to my channel. So many videos to have a look at, and so many more coming your way. If you are interested in any of the e-commerce training, there is a link below to over 75 videos worth of training and all the tools that you need. All right, so hopefully you found this useful, and I will speak to you again very, very soon. Take care. Bye for now.